Hello everyone, welcome back to another video on my channel. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you're new here. I post tutorials, hauls, everything nail related. So today I have a quick and easy tutorial for you guys showing how I do this rose quartz look. I did a rose quartz tutorial previously, at least 2 to 3 years ago now, and I have updated my technique now within the past year or so, and I feel like it is definitely better than the last one. So if you want to see how I do this rose quartz, make sure to keep watching. The supplies you're going to need for this look is a sheer pink gel polish. I used Come What May from Magpie, as well as a couple different iridescent flakes. This is Marybelle from Magpie. It's the most gorgeous like pink to blue iridescent flaky shimmer. And I also used Jessebelle, and I prefer to use 2 different flakes that have different colors in them, so not too similar looking, as well as a gold flake. This is Billie, and these are all from Magpie Beauty. You can get them at magpiebeautyusa.com, as well as a white alcohol ink, and this is their white Inkie, and this is going to create the most gorgeous stone look. First, I'm going to lay down 2 coats of the sheer pink gel polish and making sure to cure each coat in between. So this is my second coat of Come What May. It's a really gorgeous, like perfectly sheer pink gel polish, and this is going to be our base for the rose quartz design. And once I've cured both of those coats, I'm going to start with the Jessebelle Flakes, and I'm going to press them down onto that tacky layer, and just ever so lightly, like I don't want to cover the entire nail, but just here and there, kind of randomly, I'm going to press those in. Now I'm going over that with a matte top coat because I'm going to use the Inkie on top of this. If you're using alcohol inks, I personally prefer to use them on a matte surface, so either like a buffed nail, or I just do a matte top coat and then go from there. So I'm going to drag that ink across the nail, thinking of kind of what a rose quartz stone would look like, and this is going to start creating that really cool marble stone look. So I'm using that white Inkie, and then I'm going to let that dry for a couple seconds, and then I'm going to start using a little bit of acetone on a brush. This brush is nothing special. This is an old brush I've just had in my drawer. Because I'm using acetone, I don't want to use any expensive fancy brush because it will, eventually kind of dry it out and ruin it. So I'm just kind of blended that white Inkie out, and then I'm going to do the same exact thing but going in the opposite direction. So I've placed that white ink down, and again taking my brush with a little bit of acetone, not too much because I don't want it to go all over the entire nail, but just enough so that I can blend out that white ink and disperse it and make it a little bit more kind of smoky looking. Once that ink has dried down, I'm going to go in over the entire nail with another coat of that sheer pink, and this is going to really create that depth and dimension to this design. Once that has been cured, I'm just adding a little bit of the other colored flakes. These are the Marybelle Flakes, and I'm just going to gently place them onto the nail kind of randomly. Again, I don't want to put too much and cover the entire design, but just enough so that when you turn the nail, you kind of get all these different colors shining through the quartz. Then I'm going to place a little bit of those gold flakes right around the border of the nail, and this step is totally optional. I think it looks great with or without the gold, but it's just kind of a little fun touch to add that gold border. Then I'm going to go in and top coat the entire nail, and that look is finished. Super easy rose quartz design. Here's the finished look with and without that gold border, and you can actually do this design in tons of different colors, whatever colors you want really, as long as you kind of have a sheer color to work from as your base. So I've actually done this with a really pretty light minty blue color as well as a purple. So whatever colors you have, as long as they're sheer, you can create this quartz stone look, and it looks absolutely stunning with these iridescent flakes. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up, as well as follow me on all my social media, and I'll see you guys in the next video.